How to create a goodbye message with Mimu. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to add a Mimu bot into our server. So if you haven't do so, all you have to do is to go to your browser, and then on the search bar, just search for Mimu bot, and then the first link that should pop up on your screen, so click that. And then once you click that, just invite this bot into your server. So I've already added it. So let's go back in Discord. So as you can see, I've already added Mimu. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to create another channel right here. So I'm going to create a channel right there. And then what we're going to name it is the goodbye channel, right? And then make it a private channel, okay? So click next. And then once you do that, just add the members that you want to add in this server or channel, and then click create. Now, once you have now created that, let's go here on the goodbye channel. And then what we're going to do is to on the chat box, just type / and then embed create, which is right here. So just click that. And then after that, we're going to name this live right there, and then click enter. And then once it is done, we're now going to edit the basic information of what it would look like if a person or an account leave in our server. So just click edit basic information right here. Now what we're going to do right here is we're going to put this and then user tag has left, and then of course the server name, and then like that. And then if you want to put some description, maybe like we're sad to see you go, like that. And then if you want to add some colors on that, you can also do that by just finding the hex color that you want to put, but I will just put the color white right here. I'm going to click submit. And then as you can see, we now have this one right here. Now what we're going to do next is to go on the edit author, right? So you can put whatever you want right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to put the name of the person that has just left the server, maybe user Nick right there. And then just click submit. So you can put whatever you want right there, but I will just leave it as it is. And then for the footer, I'm going to click this. And then for the footer text, what we're going to do is to put this. We're down to 5, the server count, server member count, members, right there. So you can just put whatever you want right here. But let's say, for example, that this is the type of leave message that you want to add into your server. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right there. So if you want to add some images, all you have to do is to click edit images. And then let's say, for example, that we want to add the image or the profile picture of the person or the account that has just left the server. So I'm just going to click user _ avatar. And then this is what it should look like right there. And then let's say, for example, that this is the type of leave message that we want. So we're already contented with this. So what we're going to do next is to go here on the message and then click /set leave channel right there. And then just choose the channel wherein you want to send the leave message to. So let's say, for example, we want to use this number 3 channel. So just click that and then click enter. And then once it is added, once it is updated, the next thing that we need to do is to type it again, set leave. But this time we're going to click message. And then what we're going to do is to type goodbye. And then of course the user. And then of course we're going to embed it into our leave message. So just type this. And then once it is done, just click check. And then once it is updated, if we test it right here, if we click this and then test leave and then click enter again. And then if we look right here on the number 3 channel, this is what it looks like. So that is basically it. That is how to create a goodbye messages with Mimu.